This video contains affiliate links, and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned, at no extra cost to you, because they're the best in the industry. Comparing LLCs in Delaware and Florida. Have you narrowed down your new limited liability company's future location to be in either Delaware or Florida? If so, you're probably looking at the many pros and cons of starting an LLC in each state. Fortunately, we've put together a video that collects this info and lays it out for you so you can make a clearer and more informed decision. Check it out below. Delaware LLC pros and cons. Pros of starting a Delaware LLC. Liability protection. LLCs are known for their liability protection, and it's no different for an LLC in Delaware. This means that the owner's personal assets will be safe if the company is ever sued or investigated by creditors. However, there are some instances where this protection may not apply, so reach out to a business attorney or other professional for more information. Rules and structure can be customized. A Delaware LLC's rules and structure can be organized and shaped in its operating agreement. This means that the owners have the freedom to decide how the LLC will operate as long as it's within the law. Privacy for owners. An LLC in Delaware also grants privacy for its owners. The owners aren't required to disclose specific information to the state. However, this doesn't mean that the LLC can operate outside of the law. Pass-through taxation. LLCs are a very popular business type because they're pass-through entities. This means that the company doesn't pay federal or state income taxes, and these obligations are passed down to the members instead. It won't dissolve if an owner dies, leaves, etc. Unless otherwise stated in the LLC's agreement, if an owner dies, leaves, is expelled, etc., the company will not be dissolved and can continue operating under new management. Before we dive into the video, let me introduce you to Busy, a professional formation service company that specializes in helping you file your LLC or corporation. Busy is an amazing company that simplifies the entire process of creating your LLC. They even offer a service where they'll file your LLC on your behalf, saving you from all the hassle. A full review of Busy is available in the description box below. Okay, now let's get back to today's video. Cons of starting a Delaware LLC. Consider these cons if you're planning to start an LLC in Delaware. Potentially higher filing fees. Delaware incurs higher filing fees. This includes fees for drafting articles of organization and reserving a business name, for example. Although the former is required, the latter isn't, so some fees may not apply to you. A business license is required. Delaware requires LLCs to have a business license. Although this is a good thing, and many LLC owners won't be bothered by it, it will, however, incur fees. Additional licenses may also be required depending on which industry you're in, what you sell/offer, and where the LLC is located in the state. Operating agreements are required. A Delaware LLC is required to draft an operating agreement. Although this is also a good thing, drafting this document will require some time and maybe even some outside help. Florida LLC pros and cons. Pros of starting a Florida LLC. Liability protection. Like a Delaware LLC, a Florida LLC will also have the luxury of enjoying limited liability protection. Keep in mind that you should reach out to a business attorney nonetheless to learn exactly how liability protection for an LLC works in Florida. Pass-through taxation. An LLC in Florida can also enjoy pass-through taxation. This is a great benefit for first-time entrepreneurs who will undoubtedly worry about money during the first few years of their business's existence. Credibility. An LLC is known for being a relatively credible business entity. This can be really beneficial since it'll show customers and specific institutions like banks that you're the real deal. Ownership flexibility. Florida offers LLC owners a high level of flexibility. You can structure the management and ownership of the LLC however you see fit as long as it's within the law. No operating agreement required. Unlike Delaware, Florida does not require LLCs to draft an operating agreement. However, this should be strongly considered since these agreements offer an extra level of protection to the company. Cons of a Florida LLC. A business license may be required. Florida does not issue a statewide business license. Instead, they're issued at the county level and called a business tax receipt for almost all businesses, including LLCs, which will incur a fee. Keep in mind, though, that not all counties require this, so check with yours. You may also need to apply for state licenses and/or permits depending on your industry, location, etc. It may dissolve if an owner dies, leaves, etc. If an owner dies, leaves, is expelled, etc., then the LLC might be dissolved unless such an instance is specifically addressed in the operating agreement. Be sure and speak with a professional about this topic. Taxes. Delaware LLC versus Florida LLC. Tax benefits are one of the main reasons entrepreneurs choose the LLC structure. Let's look at these benefits across both states. Delaware. Delaware has a flat annual franchise tax of $300. Delaware has no sales tax. Florida. If an LLC is incorporated, it must pay state income taxes at a rate of up to 5.5%. Florida has a sales tax rate of 6%. As always, we encourage you to reach out to a tax professional if you require more information about taxes for LLCs or in general in Delaware and Florida. We can help. No matter if you need help starting a Delaware LLC or a Florida LLC, we can and want to help you. We offer countless services to make the LLC creation process as seamless as possible. And our services don't end there. We can also help you run and grow your business while ensuring it's compliant. Reach out to us today to find out how we can help you.